blowtorch teach us about the stars? It can teach us quite some important stuff, in fact. It can even tell us a little bit about history. So first, I'm going to turn on my blowtorch. You can immediately see that you get this really bright blue hot flame. But if I twizzle this little bit here, if I can persuade it to go, there we go, the temperature of the flame changes, and so does the colour. And it's actually a really orangey yellow. The webcam's having a little bit of trouble picking it up. So you can immediately see that the colour something is depends on what temperature it is, at least when it comes to light. And this relationship between temperature and colour, or wavelength of light, is very, very precise and well known, and we can work it out in a lab. And this is really, really important for people like me, because I'm an astronomer. There's some things that we can't just go up and stick a thermometer in, like galaxies and stars, because kind of far away, it's a little bit hard to breathe out there, and you're probably going to get a little bit burninated if you try and stick a thermometer in it. So, we can use this really precise and well-known relationship between temperature and colour, work out what colour a star is, and then work out what temperature it is. And in the Victorian era, they did this for every single star in the sky. But they realised that there was too many stars and it was too hard to work it out, so they needed some method of categorising them all. And a bunch of women called the Pickering women, or Harvard computers, came up with a spectral classification system. And they were led by a woman called Annie Jump Cannon, who has the best name in history. And they invented the OB of Fine Girl, Kiss Me spectral classification system. O stars are the hottest stars, and M stars, over here, they're the coldest. And we're about over here, we're a nice medium G star. And so that is what this can teach you about the stars, but it also teaches you a little bit about history of women in astrophysics.